Hello, Andreas here, and in this video we're going to show you how you can launch a no-code partner portal on top of Salesforce. So if you're working with resellers, referral partners, distributors, and so on, this video is for you. We're going to show you how you can collaborate on Salesforce data such as opportunities, support cases, and any custom data with partners. And this all without needing to give them access to your Salesforce and without the need to create Salesforce users for your partners. Let's get into it. So as you can see, you can actually build these partner experiences with no code components from Introw. So as you can see, you can add an introduction section with a banner, with some call to action buttons. You can add a dashboard. You can even track goals with partners. You can embed a tiering model that is two-way synced with your Salesforce data, an FAQ, and so on. So as you see, you can literally add any section you would like, such as, for example, documents, such as videos, forms, and obviously also Salesforce data. So as you can see, you can embed any Salesforce data inside of the partner portal. This is a truly no-code experience where you can literally edit anything, just as you would do in, for example, your Word or document editor tool. Now, one of the use cases is obviously collaborating on opportunities with partners. So for that, we can add a tab inside of Introw to collaborate on deals or opportunities with our partners. If we click on Configure, you can see that you can literally select from which pipeline in Salesforce you want to collaborate with partners, which stages you'd like to sync with partners, and even you can configure which properties you're displaying with partners. So you obviously don't want to share all properties with your partners. As you can see, you can add any property, even custom fields from Salesforce. If you want to go next level with, for example, resellers, you can even allow partners to make changes on certain properties that will be synced in real time with your Salesforce. As you see, you can also add, for example, a deal form, allowing partners to submit deals, which will be automatically creating an opportunity in your Salesforce. If you want to keep partners in the loop, you can also automatically send them email updates about, for example, opportunity changes. So you could say every time a deal state changes, we want to update the partner over email. This typically increases awareness without the partner needing to go into the partner portal. And as you can see, they can even just respond via email. They don't need to go into the partner portal to actually collaborate on these opportunities. In here, you see that there's now a very nice button, Add Deal, allowing partners to submit deals, which will automatically create that Salesforce object as well. So apart from collaborating on Salesforce data, you can obviously also share sales enablement material with your partners, share some announcements. Let's say you have a product update or something else, you can share that in here. You can share some training, which we will dive into later as well with our AI-powered learning management system. And you can, for example, collaborate on support cases with partners as well. If you want to track some mutual actions, you can also collaborate on projects, allowing your partners to move tasks and make sure that they complete, for example, onboarding. Partners can easily access their partner portal by logging into their partner portal. And as you can see, you can customize the view for your partners on how they can log in to the partner portal, uploading your own font, your colors, and so on. If you want, you can even put this on your custom domain, for example, partner.yourcompany.com. Now, let's have a look at the partner view, so how partners see the partner portal. In order to do that, we can easily go into the view of the partner by clicking View Portal in here. So as we're now in the partner view, we can see that all associated Salesforce data is now dynamically filled in inside of the partner portal, such as the total amount of revenue, number of deals associated, also the goals, if you want to track these goals in real time with partners, amount of qualified leads, for example. This is obviously all customizable, and I will see also, for example, in what tier these partners are. Now, if we click on Deal Pipeline, we'll see all the associated opportunities with this partner. And this view actually allows us to co-sell on opportunities in real time with partners. So partners now have access to shared pipeline, to visibility, the things that they're typically missing. So if we click on a deal, we can see that partners can now co-sell in real time with our team on deals. So they could say, for example, hi, Simon, can you help me on this deal, for example? And in this way, Simon will now get an email allowing them to co-sell in real time on this opportunity. As a partner manager, I can always look inside of my CRM as these properties are all synced from our Salesforce CRM. So as you can see, this brings me automatically to the opportunity in my Salesforce CRM. Also, the comment is automatically synced in Chatter. As you can see, the comment is in here in the Chatter. Now, let's move a deal from qualification to needs analysis. Done. Now, as we go back to Introw, we can now also see that this deal has moved from qualification to needs analysis. As configured, my partner got this nice email from the deal update in Salesforce. They also have my documents and videos available in here. And if I would view them, my partners would get notifications and insights into the performance of these documents. So as you can see on the right, there's a partner support agent that you can enable in one click, allowing your partners to ask any questions, which reduces manual support on your side. Now, from an internal perspective, you also have an internal AI agent that helps you to actually manage your work and actually structure your day to day. So for example, if you need to prepare for a QBR, you can generate a QBR, for example, for Apple, and this agent will actually allow you to be better prepared and to make sure that you have the right data at the right time. So it's thinking, and as you can see, it's actually preparing on what opportunities you should focus on, what goals you still need to achieve with these partners, and so on. To train your partners in a scalable way, Introw has an AI-powered learning management system allowing you to create courses, enroll partners, and manage certifications. So let's see how we can create a course in literally minutes. As you see, there's some pre-built prompts in here. So right now, the Introw course agent will actually start analyzing your website, all the partner portal content, even your MCP server if you have coupled it, and in seconds, it will create a course. Based on the provided content, the course agent has created a full training course with different modules, for example, sales training best practices with an introduction, some training strategies that you can obviously edit, and then at the end, a quiz, which can be with multiple choice questions, but even with open AI questions. If you want to create certificates, in one click, you can actually create these certificates and actually manage certifications to make sure that the right persons can sell the right solutions. Now, if you want to enroll people, in one click, we can now start enrolling people to make sure that they start doing these courses.